So it's a day before we go away, and doing things like checking the wheel nuts, clean the car. I can't clean the car, but I get these black flies. Look at them. I think it's because we're surrounded by crops and you get all these insects and dust and everything. So that's the car cleaned. We have even blacked the tyres. Come on. 10 out of 10 for effort, surely. But that's nice and cool in there. It's still, we still feel, anyway, I do. I still feel a bit like a newbie. Because of, I mean, as we've all had quite a long layoff for caravanning during the lockdown, and then obviously we got the caravan, rode it off, then had another 3 months that we had to wait again. So we'd really not caravan for, well, seriously, for about a year. So when we went away a few weeks ago to Moulton in Marsh and Brighton, it was just, we were still perfecting our routine again. You know, it kind of takes a while, doesn't it? So any newbies out there, I can really appreciate this, and it's a bit of a reminder for me how it was when we started. So our next trip, which starts tomorrow, we're going to Cornwall for a week and then going off to Brighton for a week again. Now, I've been fortunate at the moment. I've had quite a bit of time off. I'm a self-employed contractor. Last contract finished end of June, and we're now into August. So I haven't worked for, well, it'll be almost 2 months by the time I start my new job, which hopefully will be 23rd of August. So it's kind of given me a bit of an insight into retirement in a weird kind of way. I don't know, it's a weird one. Like, if you've retired, you'll obviously know this, and well, I think maybe most people do this. After a while, you just wonder how you ever found time for work. I've been so busy doing just bits and bobs. I was just thinking this morning, I don't know, we're going on holiday, so it's a bit different, you're doing things, but like, how am I going to find time to work? I've got to stop doing things I like doing and doing things I have to do. Putting violins away. Yeah, I'm trying.
Arriving at Trewethett Farm on the left.
Good news is the wind has stopped, the sun's come out. So on behalf of Boscastle Tourism Board, welcome to Boscastle. See you soon. Honestly, we've had all sorts of weather. Probably going to be a very similar vlog to last year's. We was in the same place last year and did a little vlog up here. The weather was better. You don't have to have good weather to have a good holiday, as we're proving. Extreme caravanning adventures. Ooh, watch out, stinging nettles. Seriously, if you've not been to Boscastle, it is a lovely place, as you can see here. It goes over the slippy slate to find absolutely nothing apart from wet trousers and near-death experience. That looks fun. So we're just managing when we come out, depending on the weather, I suppose. So it's cleared up a bit. It was raining earlier, but it's still quite warm. The guy on the boat saying tin sardines tonight. I don't think he caught anything. So this is where the sea comes in and goes out of Boscastle. A few defence walls there. I guess it's been strengthened and changed since 2004 flooding. Up there is the river. Lots of seagulls laughing at me. I haven't got any food. I got off. So the path does continue all the way, and I think you can walk all the way up there, should you wish. Great place for kids. I looked at it, lots of little rock pools.